Geothermal hot springs in Iceland are not just unique, beautiful ecosystems, they're also the unexpected home for countless viruses, barely known or simply unknown to many scientists. These mysterious viruses could be key to developing new marketable products or innovations in the medical, biotechnology or molecular biology fields. We travel to Iceland to see what's possible.
Most viruses in these extreme conditions often only infect bacteria. They're not harmful to humans. So virus hunters come here to understand if they can eventually help to improve our health. The estimated number of viruses inhabiting Earth by far outnumber the estimated number of stars in the observable universe. That's what researchers here say. They are everywhere, and there is a lot to be learned from them.
Many viruses are very useful because they have been fundamental for biological research. They have helped to understand the mechanisms or very basic biological mechanisms. They've been very useful in terms of being able to develop applications like in molecular biology and biotechnology.
Each virus carries its own genome, harbouring genes that allow its successful propagation. Further research into viruses is done here to unveil the deepest genetic secrets.
Getting the conditions right to open up the viral capsules is an important step in this because we want to open all the viruses so that we get all the diversity in the sample, but we don't want to ruin anything. We don't want to do anything harsh because we don't want to ruin or lose the DNA before we can capture it and collect it for sequencing.
Sequencing of the virus's genomes is done with sophisticated equipment. Scientists from this European research project also use bioinformatics algorithms to identify the genes. Researchers have so far established a database of 50 million genes of viruses.
We're the ones who stand between those people who understand biology, those who are on the spot, those who understand ecology, and those who make products out of it. In other words, we do the molecular analysis that helps the experts after us to find the right targets and then perfect these targets for use as molecular tools.
Promising gene products, especially enzymes, are then studied at a structural level with 3D graphics to further establish their potential to develop marketable products like biocatalysts.
Biotechnology needs enzymes that are very clearly defined and have a very well-defined mechanism for the particular applications. So in order to optimize the enzyme for exactly the application that is needed by industry, we need to understand how the enzyme functions. And that's exactly what we do.
Viral biological diversity is the largest unexplored genetic reservoir on Earth. Scientists conclude that multiple biotechnology innovations are just waiting to be developed from these viruses with a helping hand.